Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's vlog. So today I was actually planning to shoot a book recommendations video, but sadly I don't have one of the books that I want to recommend in that video. Basically it's with a friend and I forgot to pick it. So I thought I will shoot it when I get the book because that book is important for that video. And I thought in the meantime I will make this vlog where I will decorate the metal grid frame that I have in my room. So you must have seen that metal grid frame a lot of times. It's just above my desk. A lot of you guys asked me also where from I got it. So I got it from Amazon. I will definitely provide the link in the description box, so check that. And I have actually made a video on my desk tour as well, so you can watch that. Again, the links will be in the description box. So when I got that frame, I didn't do much. I just clipped some of my childhood pictures, but you know, sunlight is not good for those pictures. Like the colors, they are fading and I don't want to ruin the pictures anymore. So I thought I will finally like decorate it with some DIY stuff. So I'm planning to create some things in this video, so maybe they will inspire you as well. If you also want to decorate anything, like it could be maybe your study space, you can stick those things to your wall. So you can also like take some ideas and inspiration from this video as well. I quickly want to talk about another thing. So I'm planning a series for this channel where I will follow some morning routines by other YouTubers. So I think it will be fun because right now I don't really have any particular morning routine. Like of course there are a bunch of things that I do, but it varies, and I just want to try out different morning routines and adopt the things that I think are really nice and makes me feel good. So basically I will follow all these routines and see how I feel and share with you guys my views, and also like talk about what are the things that I will continue to do and retain in my morning routine. So I think it will be fun and exciting. So let me know what are the morning routines you want me to follow. Like if you have any particular YouTuber who you love and you love that morning routine, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely recreate and follow their routines. I definitely have some of my own choices. Like there are some YouTubers I love and I would love to like follow their routines, and I think it will be really fun and exciting. So yes, let me know what you think about the series in the comment section, and I'm really excited about it. Anyway, now without any further delay, let's jump into the video and like decorate my metal grid. today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this vlog and found this video valuable. If you did, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified with all the further notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.